So how to set live wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 18. If you press and hold, then you can see your wallpaper is moving. Go to your setting, go wallpaper and add new wallpaper. Now top corner you can see the live photos, so you are able to set this photo as a live wallpaper. For example, I am selecting this one, press on add, set as wallpaper pair. Now let's test. Yeah, it's now moving. Now if you open your camera, then if you want to set live wallpaper, you can take a live photos and you are able to make these photos as a live wallpaper. So you have to update it, and if you want to set dynamic moving wallpaper on iOS 18, then just select this option and select dynamic, then press on add, set as wallpaper. Now let's check. It's not working, still not working. Let's check again, or let's set the wallpaper again. You can see it's now moving. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.